The internet has evolved over time. Web 1 was read-only. Web 2 allowed us to create and share content through platforms like social media. Now, Web 3 introduces a new model where users own their digital assets and identities. In Web 2, most services are controlled by centralized companies. They store your data, manage your accounts, and control access. Web 3 replaces central control with decentralized networks. Instead of one server, data and logic are distributed across many independent nodes. At the core of Web 3 is blockchain, a transparent and tamper-resistant ledger that records transactions and agreements. In Web 3, users control their own digital wallets. This means you own your tokens, NFTs, and even your decentralized identity. Smart contracts are automated programs stored on the blockchain. They execute agreements automatically without needing intermediaries. These smart contracts power decentralized applications, or dApps, which operate without central control. Web 3 enables peer-to-peer payments using cryptocurrencies, reducing reliance on banks and payment processors. Because transactions are recorded publicly on-chain, Web 3 systems offer greater transparency and verifiability. However, Web 3 is still evolving. Scalability, usability, and regulation remain important challenges. Web 3 represents a shift toward user ownership, programmable value, and decentralized coordination. In simple terms, Web 3 is about giving control back to users, enabling a more open, secure, and user-owned internet.